Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Reno Naufal from class 10 MIPA 3, and this is my video on how I solve some physics problems. So for the first problems, you should write down the F, delta T, delta V, and the one that you want to find. And then use these functions: M multiple delta V per delta T, and 50 equals M minus 20 by 5, and you can divide it 20 by 5 into 4, so will be easier to count. 50 equals M times 4, and you move the 50 here and M here, so M equal 50 by 4 equal 12.5 kilograms. Number 2, write down the mass, maximum tensions, and gravity. And then Fg equals M multiple G equals 800 times 10 equals 8,000. And then Ft equals Fg plus M times A. 20,000 equals 8,000 plus 800 multiple A, and you move the 800 here, so it becomes 20,000 minus 8,000 equals 12,000. 12,000 equals 800 multiple A, move the A here, and 12,000 here, so 12,000 minus 800 equals 15 amperes. Number 3, mass equals 2 kilograms, ms 0.4 and k 0.4, gravity 10 amperes, 10 meter per second. Sigma f equals 0 and equals w, f minus fs equals 0, fp equal fs equal n times ms equals m point times g times ms equals 2 times 10 times 0.7 equals 14 newtons. R equal F minus multiple M times G times MK. 24 minus 2 times 10 times 0.4 equals 24 minus 8 equals 16 newtons. For number 4, in this case the object is remain silent, so both x-axis and y-axis is equal to 0. To get the value of each t1 and t2, we need to find the net force of each axis direction. First one, fx equals 0 and right and left, positive and negative. Minus t1 times cos 37 degrees plus t2 times cos 53 degrees equals 0. Minus t1 times 0.8 plus t2 times 0.6 equals 0. 0.6 t2 equals 0.8 t1. t2 equals 0.8 by 0.6 times t1. t2 equals 4 by 3 t1. The second one, Fy equals 0 and up and down, positive and negative. Minus W plus T1 times sin 37 degrees plus the T2 sin 55 degrees equals 0. Minus 112 plus T1 times 0.6 plus T2 times 0.8 equals 0. 0.6 T1 plus 0.8 T2 equals 124. The next steps we substitute. 0.6 times T2 equals 0.8 times 4 by 3 T1 equals 122 newtons. 0.6 T2 plus 1.04 T equals 122 newtons. 164 T2 equals 124 newtons. T2 equals 122 by 1.64. T2 equals 74.39 newtons. And we substitute again. T2 equals 4 by 3 times T1. T2 equals 4 by 3 times 74 times 74.39. T2 equals 99.68 newtons. So the light traffic will remain hanging because T1 and T2 is smaller than 100 newtons. And for the last one, write down M mass equals 40 kilograms, MK equals 0.04, A equals 2.5, sigma F equals M times A. F minus Fk equals M times A. F equals Fk plus M times A equals 14.4 plus 40 times 2.5 equals 24.4 newtons. W equals M times G. Fk equals W times cos 25 times Mk equals 40 times 10 times 0.9 times 0.04 equals 14.4 newtons. So that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.